I make over $3,000 a month from AI music on Spotify. No face, no studio, no music degree. Here is exactly how I built this. The key is not making one viral hit. The key is building a catalog. Think about it this way. One song earning 10 cents per stream on Spotify. At 1,000 streams per month, that is $100. Now imagine 100 songs, each doing 1,000 streams per month. That is $1,000 per month. The math is simple, but most creators get it wrong. They spend hours perfecting one song. Then they release it and wait. Nothing happens. Here is what I do instead. I release 10 songs every single week. Yes, 10 songs per week, using Suno AI. Each song takes about 15 minutes from idea to upload. That is 2.5 hours per week, and I use DistroKid to distribute everything. DistroKid gets my music on Spotify in 2 to 3 days. Not weeks, not months, days. Let me break down the strategy step by step. Step 1. Choose your niche. Do not make random songs. Pick a lane. Lo-fi beats for studying. Ambient sleep music. Focus instrumentals. These genres get repeated plays. Someone puts on a lo-fi playlist at work. They listen for hours. Every stream counts. Step 2. Set up Suno AI. Use the Pro plan. It gives you more credits. Create a persona in Suno. This locks in your sound, same voice, same style, every time. Trust me on this. Consistency is everything on Spotify. Step 3. Batch create your songs. Do not create one song and stop. Create 10 at once. I use a simple prompt formula. Genre first, mood second, instruments third. Here is my exact prompt structure. Lo-fi instrumental with warm piano, soft drums, gentle bass, relaxed vibes. That is it. One sentence. Suno does the rest. Generate 2 versions per prompt. Pick the best one. Download both the audio and the waveform files. Step 4. Cover art matters more than you think. Spotify is a visual platform. Your cover art is the first thing people see. Use Canva. The free version works perfectly. Choose a consistent template. Dark colors, simple text, same font. All your covers should look like they belong together. This builds trust with your listeners. Step 5. DistroKid is your distribution machine. Upload your song, fill in the metadata, choose your genre. The important part is the release date. Do not release everything at once. Schedule 3 to 4 releases per week. This keeps the Spotify algorithm happy. Consistent releases signal that you are an active artist. Spotify rewards active artists with more algorithmic plays. Step 6. Playlist pitching. Every DistroKid upload lets you pitch to Spotify playlists. Use Spotify for Artists. Submit every single track, write a compelling pitch, describe the mood, the instruments, the vibe. This is free promotion. Do not skip it. I get about 20% of my tracks on editorial playlists. That is 20 extra streams per day, per track. It compounds fast. Now let me talk about the money. Spotify pays between $3 and $5 per 1,000 streams. It depends on your listener country. US and UK streams pay more, 100 songs, each doing 1,000 streams per month, at $4 per 1,000, that is $400. But here is where it gets interesting. That is just Spotify. DistroKid distributes to Apple Music, Amazon Music, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Music. All of them pay, some more than Spotify. Add another 50% from these platforms. Now you are at $600. And remember, this is with 1,000 streams per song. Some songs will break out. They will get 10,000 streams or 50,000. When that happens, your catalog lifts everything. The math gets even better. Let me show you the real numbers from my catalog. Month 1, 20 songs, 2,000 total streams, $8. Month 2, 60 songs, 12,000 total streams, $50. Month 3, 100 songs, 50,000 total streams, $200. Month 4, 150 songs, 100,000 total streams, $400. Month 6, 200 songs, 250,000 streams, $1,000. See the pattern. It is not about going viral, it is about steady catalog growth. Every song you add is another income stream. And here's the best part. You do not need to be a musician. Suno AI does the heavy lifting. You are the curator, the strategist, the publisher. Your job is to pick good songs and release them. That is it. Now let me give you my exact weekly workflow. Monday morning, open Suno AI, generate 12 songs, pick the best 8, download them. Tuesday, create cover art for all 8 tracks. Use the same template every time, 2 minutes per cover. Wednesday, upload all 8 to DistroKid, fill in metadata, set release dates across the week. Thursday, submit all 8 to Spotify for Artists for playlist pitching. Friday, review last week numbers on Spotify for Artists, see what worked. Double down on that genre. That is the entire business. 2 hours of work per week. for growing passive income. Let me address the big question. Is this allowed with AI music? Yes, Spotify allows AI music, as long as it sounds good. DistroKid accepts AI music. Suno terms allow commercial use on the Pro plan. You own your songs, you keep 100% of royalties, there is no cap.